Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Roger here once again, and today I'm going to be doing some repotting. I found some amazing little plants. This is about 12-18 months a year ago in a store called Aldi. I'm sure most of you have heard of it. Anyway, these little plants, little ones, 3 of them in one tiny pot, £1.99. I brought them home, potted them on, and they're growing really well. Now, it turns out that they are agaves or agave, desert agave. Lovely little plants, not so little anymore. They're starting to grow quite well. Now please don't forget, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll see any future videos and those old ones that I've done from before. Anyway, without further ado, let's carry on. There they are, looking really lovely. I'm so pleased with these, so cheap as well. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in pots about one size bigger, and I'm going to use this compost that I've got here. It's for desert cactus. Well, they do like arid conditions, these agaves or agaves, so I think that'll be perfect for these. Now just out of interest, if you see this little plastic pot here, when I bought these, the 3 of those were in a ceramic pot that size, and they were advertised as houseplants, decorative houseplants, but I spotted them straight away and I knew that they were going to be good, you know, a real good find. Anyway, I'm going to carry on with the potting and off we go. I'll make a start with this one here. If you squeeze the pot a little bit like that, you'll find it comes out quite easily, and this one's really got some good root formation in there. So now I'm going to put this first one into a pot, into its new home if you like. I'll just move that plastic pot out of the way because we don't want that anymore, and I'm going to use this terracotta pot for this one. Put a couple of little crocks in the bottom, stop the soil going through because it's got quite a big hole in there, and first put a little bit of soil in, just a little bit. What I want to do is just get something for the new roots to go into, a little bit down the bottom there. Loosen off the root system a little bit, and then that can go in. It sort of loosens itself off if you like. It's quite dry, so some of the soil has just fallen out from the roots, to be honest. Make sure it's in the middle. Then go round with this special potting compost that I've got for cacti. Get that all the way round, nice and equal. Make sure to keep the plant in the centre. You don't want it to one side, it'd look a bit odd if it was like that. There we go, keep popping that in. Smarten it up, give it a little gentle press down, not a lot. And then I'm going to do the same with the other ones.
There we go, the job's done. I had quite a lot of spillage with the soil, so what I'm going to do, I'm not going to waste that. I'll sweep it all up and put this back in the bag. It was quite expensive, so I don't want to have to buy another one, not too soon anyway. So get the bag and sweep it in. Now to finish off, I'm going to give it a little top dressing of gravel. There we go, horticultural grade. We'll put this in the top, helps with drainage, plus it makes it look good as well. So we'll just put some gravel around the top of each one, nice and equally. Then give them a little drink just to settle them in. And we're finished. They're in their new homes where they will be happy.